Hi, dear children. It is me, Srinivas. I am your English lecturer. Today, I am going to teach you the first lesson of English, first POC. The lesson name is The Gentleman of the Jungle. Dear children, the Gentleman of the Jungle, in the sense, it is related to our 18th and 19th century. ಅಂದರೆ 19 ಮತ್ತು 18ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ. How it is related to that? During 18th and 19th century, how the British people, means Britain people ruling all over the India, all over the world, and also how they acquired all over the world. It is metaphorically they are saying, metaphorically means they are comparing some animals to some official people who were ruled all over our world. So here it is a story of Africa, how African people were ruled by these Britain people. It is a story. It is related to the story. How, see, in your lesson, The Gentleman of the Jungle, in the beginning they have given, in the late 19th century, the chief European powers divided Africa among themselves. See how they are simple telling them, in the 19th century, the in the sense, European people, they divided the African people for themselves, for the sake of themselves, to help themselves. How? For what sake? The sake of acquiring, getting hold, to rule over the Africa. They dividing some areas. And they could do this because European arms were superior and African chiefs did not understand the meaning of the treaties they were asked to sign. ಏನಂದರೆ how these people, Britain people, how were they started and how they were ruling all over the world, and what were the strategies and what were the ideas, they did not come to know. Who? African people. Because African people somehow they are little poor in education. For that what these Britain people started and catch the uneducated of these African people. For that they started ruling all over the Africa. So they did not come to know what are these Britain people were doing, what exactly are doing. Basically what happened now, it is called as a colonialism. Colonialism in the Kannada, ವಸಾಹತುಶಾಹಿತ್ವ, ವಸಾಹತುಗಳನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಆರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಜನರನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದನ್ನು ವಸಾಹತುಕರಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಳ್ತೇವೆ. The same way these Britain people were started ruling all over the world, especially in the Africa during 19th century. What they went to the Africa, they started dividing the people very easily. How? They are encatching their demerits and weaknesses. What are the main weaknesses of those people? They are encaging of them and they were ruling all over the Africans. So it is they are telling, but the African people, they did not come to know what exactly was going on from the Europeans. As a result of Africans lost the lands they had traditionally lived and cultivated. See, when these European people had come to the Africa, some of the African people, they lost their things, lands, and cultivated means ಅವರು ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗ, ಫಲವತ್ತಾದಂತಹ ಜಾಗ. So these are all they lost. How? As I told you, they were occupying the things, resources, ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಮನಾಥ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ದೇವಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಪಾಶ್ಚಿಮಾತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥವರು 14ರಿಂದ 15 ಸರಿ ದಂಡ ಎತ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಂಡ ಎತ್ತಿ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು 14 ಸರಿ ಬಾಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಾಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಖಾಲಿಯಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, the same way the Africa has exploited ಅಂದರೆ ತುಳಿತಕ್ಕೊಳಕಾದಂಥ, exploited by these European people very easily. The same here is going on. They lost their lands, cultivated lands which they have been cultivated, means ಅವರು ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. unknowingly, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್, ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡೇ ಸಮ್ಮನ್ ವಾಸ್ ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್, ಬಟ್ ನೌ our people are ruling us. We are also losing our powers and we have given our powers to somebody else and we are asking once again, give us. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಹೀಗೆ ಆಗೋದು. Their attitude towards European expansion is made clear. The following parable which reflects the attitude of the Kikuyu people of Kenya towards European laws and commissions. ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್, ಅವರ ಜಾಗದ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣವನ್ನು, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗದ ನಾಡು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ Kenya ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೈಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ, ದ ನೇಮ್ is called Jomo Kenyatta. Jomo Kenyatta, he's an African writer, and also a political leader who has been exploited, who had been exploited very much by the European people. He had written a story that is the gentleman of the jungle. You think of it is the gentleman of the jungle is a very simple. Gentleman is the person who has been exploited by the Europeans. Jungle in the sense Africa. So we shall move to the lesson. Shall we? Yes. And one more thing, this lesson, you get questions for 1 marks and 4 marks questions especially. Keep it in mind. Shall go. Once upon a time, an elephant made a friendship with a man. Here, elephant in the sense, the people of European. It is metaphorical. Metaphor ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. Example, I tell you, APJ Abdul Kalam is a missile man of India. Sachin Tendulkar is a god of cricket. Like the way, once upon a time during 19th century, an elephant made a friendship with a man. One day, a heavy thunderstorm broke out. The elephant went to his friend who had a little hut at the edge of a forest. Here, elephant in the sense, this European, once a day made a friendship with the people, the person who is Africa, who is a very poor, who has a small hut andre gudisalu, who has hut, who are living in the forest, edge of the forest, he made a friendship. Hige agiddu. This is the way it happened, how the people, those Britain people, those Europeans had come to all over the nation, they made a friendship with the people and they started their colonialism. Arthaita? Same, it is the theme going on. Initially they made a friendship with a person. When they made a friendship, and once a day what happened, the thunderstorm, thunder andre gudugu sidilu, thunderstorm is going on. Thunderstorm andre bidugali, storm is going on. Storm is going on, broke out. The elephant went to his friend. So it means that when the European got very much trouble during 19th century in the Africa, they went to the person, the friend made, yaar iವರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು, they went over there as the elephant is going to the friend and who has a little hut ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಡಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. And said, ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, my dear good man, will you please let me put my trunk inside your hut to keep it out of this torrential rain. ಟೊರೆಂಟಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರೂರವಾದಂಥ, ನಿಷ್ಠೂರವಾದಂಥ, ಬಹಳ ಭಯಂಕರವಾದಂಥ ಮಳೆಯಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಸಿ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲ್ಪನಾತೀತವಾದಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ವರ್ಣಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟನ್ನು ಆ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೋಲಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್. ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಳೆ, ದ ಥಂಡರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್, ಬ್ರೋಕ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಗೋಸ್, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ torrential rain, so can you give me a place, a bit place, give me a place to put my trunk inside your hut. ನನ್ನ ಸೊಂಡಿಲನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿನ್ನ ಗುಡಿಸಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೇ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಬಿಟ್ ಬೈ ಬಿಟ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ದಿ ಆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಟನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ದಿ ಆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಬೈ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ದಿ ಆಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ Please give me a bit place to put my trunk inside to keep away from this torrential rain. ಈ ಬಹಳ ಭಯಂಕರವಾದ ಮಳೆಯಿಂದ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪವೇ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. The Britishers come, once have gone. In the 1498 Vasco da Gama come, in the Calicut he had come to our India. They started marketing. French, Dutch, in the year of 1600, the East India, British India Company had come. Not approximately, exactly I don't know, 1776, 75 it seems. On the bank of Hooghly River, these Britain people started their industries. Battle of Plassey started between Sirajuddin so and so. Since that, all over till 1947, European ruled all over the world, including our India. They went from our India 1947 August 15. That you know already, but we exactly don't know what was the clear picture when they had come to our nation, how were ruling to our India. Makle, Indians were exploited very badly from the European. The same African people are also exploited. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಗುಲಾಮರನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಗುಲಾಮರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಗುಲಾಮರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ slaves. You know what is the mean by slave? Slave, it is to, he has to do every work who says to do him. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವನು. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದಿಗ್ಧ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ದಿನಗಳು ಹೇಗಿದ್ವು ಅಂತ ಭಯಂಕರವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ಯು. ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ he is always arrogant, very strict in our home. He doesn't laugh, he doesn't give you permission, he doesn't talk with you, always to make you be like that, always monitoring. If he does to you, how do you feel? You feel your home itself is a jail. The same, our Europeans were ruling all over the world, and also Africa, especially Africa. In the beginning of 19th century, they brought many of the people from the Africa to do the slavery. ಗುಲಾಮರನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು. Next, the man, seeing what situation his friend was in, replied. The man means Africa. These people saw those people saw the exact condition, the consequence, what is going on. He saw that, oh, it must be painful, problematic. So he thought, because he is a human being, he has a heart, he can feel the pain of some others. These what we say, European colonialist people, that's a plan, diplomatic, Rajatantrikate, diplomatic. They have a plan to conquer everything by doing the same way. He says, my dear good elephant, my hut is very small, but there is room for your trunk and myself. Please put your trunk gently. He says, my dear friend, my hut is a very small that I can alone live. There is no particular place for you, at least, that you can put your trunk itself. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೊಂಡಿಲನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಇಡಬಹುದು. You don't have much place to come in our hut, because it's a small hut. Because he's a poor, he's living in the forest, in the sense he has to have a small hut, and he is living in that. He has come, the elephant has come, because of this raining, he is asking, give me a place to put my trunk. Yeah, gently he is asking. We ask sometime, means sometime we ask, please my dear friend, I am in trouble, can you help me? Of course, being a friend, he says that, of course I help you, because he is a friend. These Europeans also made the same thing. They made a friendship with our African people. They are asking a small help in the beginning. Later on, they started slowly, gently their marketing and all. Later on, occupied everything. The same, says he. So put your trunk gently, smoothly, softly, because my hut is very delicate and a small hut. That can I live only. You cannot. But I give you a place to you to put your trunk. ನಿನ್ನ ಸೊಂಡಿಲನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀನು ಇಡು ಸಾಕು. The elephant thanked his friend, saying, "You have done me a good deed, and one day I shall return your kindness." He says, "Thank you, my dear friend. You have done a great job for me that I am dizzy, I am getting wet. Because it's raining, I can't be out because it's a very torrential rain is going on." Torrential means Bhayankara. The horrible rain is going on out. Horrible gottalla nimgeಲ್ಲ. Horrible, terrible, Bhayankara ಅಂತ. So what rainfall is going on, this thunderstorm, I cannot be out of the hut. So you give me a place. I am very thankful to you, and also I can help you, I can return your kindness by doing a very good help. Idu metaphorically he says that the way Europeans were occupying the place in Africa, in the beginning they asked very politely, very lovely, and they were saying that we will give you back. But actually what happened? Let's go. But what followed? As soon as the elephant put his trunk inside hut, slowly he pushed his head inside. The gentleman has given a place to put trunk. Trunk ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊಂಡಿಲು ಅಂತ. ಸೊಂಡಿಲನ್ನು ಇಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. He had given a chance to put the trunk inside. But this fellow elephant slowly putting his head inside also. Head also. He is pushing. Andre, it is a very clear picture to you that, my dear children, those Europeans in Africa, they requested gently, give us a chance to be here and to do the small marketing. When they had given a marketing place for small things, but what did they do? They started pushing, means forcibly they started their marketing very highly, and finally flung the man out in the rain. So he was pushing the head in the hut. While pushing his head, flung, he kicked out, means he came out, man, because there is no place. It's a small place of hut. Hut is a very small place that the man can only be there when the man gave a ಚಾನ್ಸ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ವೆನ್ he gave a chance to put his trunk in the hat. But elephant is very crazy. He is pushing his head also. When he pushed completely his head, there is no place. Then man is supposed to come out. Of course, that is the thing is going on. ಯುರೋಪಿಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಅವರು ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ slowly, gently. Ultimately they acquired everything. Then he came out. And then lay down comfortably inside his friend's hut, saying, "My dear good friend, your skin is harder than mine, and as there is not enough room for both of us, you can offer to remain in the rain while I am protecting my delicate skin from the hailstorm." See, the hut belongs to the man. When the man came out from the hut, he is requesting to the elephant. ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ನಾವೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ. The hut is belong to the poor man. He made a friendship with the elephant. Now because of this rain, he gave a permit to put his trunk in the hut, and he was pushing his head. And when he came out from the hut, now he is telling that Here is a hail storm is going on. Hail storm ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲಿಕಲ್ ಮಳೆ, ಎಂತೆಂಥ ಆಲಿಕಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, hail storm. And he is saying, my skin is very delicate, your skin is very harder. Of course, the elephant has a hard skin. My skin is a very smooth, your skin is a very hard, that you can sustain the pain of this hailstorm. I cannot. Please give me a place. And we cannot be in that room, we cannot be both together because it's a small hut. He's saying that, and you can afford to remain the rain while I am protecting my delicate skin from the hailstorm. You are offered only to put your trunk inside, not all of your body. But you were in the hut, you pushed yourself, you came in that, and now I am out of the hut. It would be very delicate to me because the rain is a hailstorm is coming on. So please, I offered you only put your trunk, but it is a thing going on. So the discussion is going on in the forest between the man and the elephant. You imagine how Europeans were started acquiring the place of Africa. You imagine, this is the thing which had happened in all over the world now. The man seeing what his friend had done to him, what else he can do? Because he is a man, that's an elephant. Elephant has a lot of power. The man is man itself. So he can see itself. ಅವನೊಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ, ಅವನು ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಮಾತ್ರ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಲ್ಲ. ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್, ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಿಂದ, ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ತುಂಬ ಸಿರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದವರು, ಅಂದರೆ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಡವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನೇನೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ತೋಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಯಾರ ಜೇಬಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆಯೋ ಅವರ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತವೆ ವಿನಃ ಅಲ್ಪಸಂಖ್ಯಾತರದಾಗಲಿ, ಬಡವ್ರದ್ದಾಗಲಿ, ಮಧ್ಯಮ ವರ್ಗದವರಾಗಲಿ, ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗೋದಾಗಲಿ, ನ್ಯಾಯ ದೊರಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಪಡ್ಕೊಳೋದಾಗಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟಕರವಾಗಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ನೋಡಬಹುದು ಮಾತ್ರ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, these Europeans were acquiring a place gradually, slowly, unknowingly from these people of Africa. What can they do? They could watch. They could watch. Except that they cannot do anything because they have a lot of power in them. Now, Daimagina started to grumble. The animals in the nearby forest heard the noise and they came to see what was the matter. See, if the quarrel is going on anywhere, of course when the noise comes out, when the people shouts, of course all of the people gathers around of us and they were eager to watch what is going on. The same here, when the noise is raised, the elephant and the man was talking, grumble, sound ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ, ಮೀನ್ ಸಿಂಹ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ and they all eager to see what is going on. Now they are coming. Forest heard the noise, came to see what was the matter. See, all the animal has come now, so let us see what is the matter, what is the going on here, what is going on, why they were talking together, why they were making too much of noise, what else is going on here, what is the consequence, what is the matter, let us see. All the animals, these animals are all European people. You keep it in mind. Whichever the animal has been mentioned in the lesson, those are all Europeans. The man is only African. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಲೆಸನ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಕವಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದನ್ನು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಲಿಸಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್. All stood around listening to the heated argument between the man and his friend, the elephant. In this turmoil, the lion came along roaring and said in loud voice. So the heated means very controversial thing is going on between the man, the elephant. They were talking. They actually here the man has lost everything. The elephant acquired the place of hurt. So the talk is going on. They're talking loudly because the man, of course, he has to say that that's my place. You acquired it, give it to me. The same. This elephant is defending itself. No, I cannot give that. So these are all going on while the same meanwhile turmoil ಅಂದರೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ the lion is coming. The lion is the king of the forest. Of course, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ರಾಜ. ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಯಾರು ತುಂಬ ಶಕ್ತಿಯುತವಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೋ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಣಿ ವಿಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಾ ರಾಣಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜನನ್ನು ಈ ಸಿಂಹಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ roaring ಗರ್ಜಿಸುತ್ತಾ he is coming and he says, what does he says? Don't you all know that I am the king of the jungle? How dare anyone disturb the peace of my kingdom? Listen, ಯಾರ್ದೋ ದುಡ್ಡು ಎಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಜಾತ್ರೆ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ. The king has come. Now he is saying that, how dare you, ನಿಮಗೆಷ್ಟು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನನ್ನ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಶಬ್ದನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. How dare you to disturb other people who is living in my kingdom? The man he was living in his hut. This elephant has come. He made a friendship. The rain is started. He begged a place. He gave a place. And ultimately the man came out. There is a justice that a man has to ask his place, please give me my place because it is my hut. But now he is saying that who is the person, how dare him to disturb others by doing a noise. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು. On hearing this, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ, when the lion said this is all, the elephant says, on hearing this, who was one of the high minister in the jungle kingdom. See, as I told you in the beginning, ಆನೆಯು ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಹ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದೇ ಅದು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಸಿಂಹ, ಹುಲಿ, ಆನೆ. Because in the forest, lion is the king. Later on, some other big cats like leopard, panther, and tiger. After that, the most powerful animal is elephant because it has a lot of power. So it has also a good power in their kingdom. So ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜನ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ the elephant is also one. So he has some power. So on hearing this, when the king says that, how dare you to disturb my people, then he says that, who says, elephant says, what does he says? My lord, there is no disturbance of the peace in your kingdom. I have only been having a little discussion with my friend here as to the possession of this little hut which your lordship sees me occupying. Nevare, illi, my dear lord, my lord, there is no discussion, there is no disturbance to anybody else. Here is a small discussion is going on between me and my friend. Because of this hut, we are not disturbing you. The place which has been occupied by you, there is a hut. We are discussing about the hut. See, ಈಗ ಆನೆ ಹೇಳೋದೇನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಆನೆ is saying that little hut which your lordship seems me occupying. This hut belongs to man, where the man is living. I asked a permission, I was there. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಹತ್ರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ, seems to occupying. So we are discussing about that, to whom it is belong to. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವ ಅದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ? ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಮನುಷ್ಯಂಗೆ. ಅವನದು ಜೆಂಟ್ಲ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಅವನದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು? ನಾವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್. ಆನೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, We are not disturbing. We are just discussing that to whom it is belong to, whether it is belong to you, or whether it belong to me, or whether it is belong to the man. To whom it is belong to? Actually, it is belong to the man. Hege, how the European people came to Africa, they acquired everything, occupied everything. Actually, it is a place of those Africans, even though it was ruled by these Europeans, and they were telling that these are all belong to us, and we are the majesty. You have a bit part, and a solpa jaga. And also we are also, our India also, since 1600, 1600 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 1949 till we were exploited by these Britain people, and we had given everything to them, and we were begging our freedom. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಕೂಡ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಹೇಗೆ ತುಳಿತಕ್ಕೊಳಗಾದರು. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, these Britain people saw a lot of resource in America. When they saw a lot of resource in America, they wanted some people to work over there. So they bought many thousands of the people from the black Negro people and they bred thousands of the people from the America to the from Africa to the America to do work. They made them a slavery. When they had occupied everything, when the work is finished, they did not take him back. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಇರೋದು. ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕರಿಯರ ಜನ ಇರುವಂಥ ಜಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಸಾಧನೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ನೀಗ್ರೋ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದೇ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಟು ದ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್. ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್, ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಟುಕ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಡ್, ದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ದೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. 1920 1920 ಅಮೇರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ವಾರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವರ್ಣಭೇದ ನೀತಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಬೀನ್ ಟು ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ. ಕರಿಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಳಿಯರು ಎಂಬ ಭೇದ ಭಾವನೆ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಬ್ರಿಟನ್ ಪೀಪಲಿಂದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್